Ever wanted to bring cafe-quality espresso to your kitchen? I did, and the CASABREWS Espresso machine made it a reality. Its sleek design fits perfectly in my tiny kitchen. Talk about stylish and functional. Imagine starting your day with the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee. The 20-bar pressure system ensures every shot is pure perfection. For those who crave that morning espresso fix before work or love experimenting with milk foam art, this machine is a game changer. Plus, refilling is hassle-free with its 34 Oz removable water tank. It's like having a mini coffee shop at home. Ready to elevate your coffee experience? Grab yours now and transform your mornings.